I've got to let you know. It's Halloween! Woo! The poster! I'm upholstering! Yay! I've got to let you know. You're my kind. Oh. I did it! So this goes on here. I love it. Yay! Let's just get this feel. Heavenzs Upholstory, Friday, Halloween! Yay! It's my heart!
All that shine.
Halloween! See, we're crazy at the upholsterer shop. In Mexico, it's the Day of the Dead. Oh, there's a cat! Ah! See it! It's elegantly wasted. Let's see what this is. Look at all the pumpkin people. Sunday's Halloween. I'm gonna finish my chair. Yay! Kevin's coming home any second. Little trick or treating. See upholsterers? Celebrate Halloween. Did you know that? Always do that. Big in the upholstery world. Okay. INXS is dead. Mexico, really dead. Michael Hutchins. I love when I do this design and it starts coming together. I just get excited. It's great. Soft. Fits perfect. Just love it. It's gonna be so comfy. You can tell my age. INXS. It's kind of a baby, but I remember in college. Michael Hutchins. Oh my God. Go down to the Castro Sunday. See all the people dressed up. I'm gonna get whipped. Actually, I wish. They got me down at the chair. Yeah, witch in the cemetery. A witch chair. See what happens at the end of the week. I need to go on. What is he? Gotta do some measuring. Oh, happy Halloween.